Hello. I've made an update to my Volvo 850 fan setup on my 1998 Suzuki Sidekick. I had trouble with the rubber coolant hose and the inline temperature sensor. Kept leaking. No matter what I did, new clamps, new hoses, it just kept leaking at the aluminum coupler. So I decided to move the temperature sensor in line with the J-pipe. I took it off and welded a bung and painted it up and moved the sensor back to the metal hardline and replaced the hose. After doing this, the leaks have gone away. The fan works as it has before without issue, and I think this was a better option to move the fan to move the temperature sensor to a more rigid place in line with the pipe and not have to fight with a hose. The bung itself is just a standard nut that's been welded on, and it's just been cleaned up. I'd advise anybody that wants to make this change and put a Volvo fan on their vehicle like this and use a BMW temperature sensor, that this is probably the route to go if it doesn't support it on your radiator itself. Thanks for watching.